Good morning students. My name is M. Sasikala, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinoda College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to explain life and works of William Shakespeare. Shakespeare is one of the greatest English playwrights. He was regarded as world's greatest dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and Bard of Avon. Shakespeare's contribution to English drama is 39 plays, 154 sonnets, and 2 narrative poems. He was born in Stratford-upon-Avon, Warwickshire. He married Anne Hathaway at the age of 18 and his wife was 26-year-old then. They had 3 children, Susanna, Hamnet, and Judith. There is no exact date and year of Shakespeare's writing career. He was criticized by the other dramatists, especially Robert Greene. Shakespeare's dramatic career divided into 4 periods. First period before 1595. During this period, his plays were full of youthful and imagination. Example, The Comedy of Errors and Romeo and Juliet. Second period from 1595 to 1601. During this period, his plays were less exaggeration, more real power, deeper insight into human nature. Example, As You Like It. Third period from 1601 to 1608. During this period, Shakespeare wrote tragedies. Example, Hamlet, Othello, King Lear. Fourth period from 1608 to 1613. During this period, his plays were calm strength and sweetness. Example, Cymbeline, The Tempest. In the first folio, William Shakespeare's plays were grouped into 3 categories. 1. Comedies, 2. Histories, 3. Tragedies. Comedies. The Tempest, The Two Gentlemen of Verona, Measure for Measure, As You Like It, The Merchant of Venice, The Love's Labour's Lost, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Much Ado About Nothing, The Taming of the Shrew, The Comedy of Errors, Twelfth Night, The Winter's Tale, The Merry Wives of Windsor, All's Well That Ends Well, Pericles, King of Tyre, The Two Noble Kinsmen. The Two Noble Kinsmen considered as tragic comedy. Histories, King John, Richard II, Henry IV Part 1 and Part 2, Henry V, Henry VI Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3, Richard III, Henry VIII and Edward III. Tragedies, Troilus and Cressida, Coriolanus, Titus Andronicus, Romeo and Juliet, Timon of Athens, Julius Caesar, Macbeth, King Lear, Othello, Antony and Cleopatra, Cymbeline, Hamlet. The Two Noble Kinsmen is a Jacobean tragic comedy. It was first published in 1634. It was written by William Shakespeare with the co-author John Fletcher. The plot was taken from Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Pericles, Prince of Tyre, is also a Jacobean drama. It was written by William Shakespeare with the co-author George Wilkins. John Gower introduced each act with a prologue for this play. This play's plot was taken from Gower's Confessio Amantis. The next play, King Edward III, is an Elizabethan play. The play was written by William Shakespeare with Thomas Kidd, Christopher Marlowe, Drayton, Thomas Nash and George Beale. The following plays of William Shakespeare were not included in the first folio: Pericles, The Prince of Tyre, The Two Noble Kinsmen. The next topic is sonnets. Shakespeare's sonnets were published in 1609. He wrote 154 sonnets. This collection of sonnets were dedicated to Mr. W.H. Edward Dowden classified 4 of the lost comedies as romance in 19th century. Many scholars called them tragic comedies, but Dowden called it as romance. The following plays were called romance: Pericles, the Prince of Tyre, Cymbeline, The Winter's Tale, and The Tempest. Frederick S. Bose coined the term problem plays in 1896 to describe the following four plays. Those plays are All is Well That Ends Well, Measure for Measure, Troilus and Cressida, and Hamlet. Henry VIII is a history play written by William Shakespeare with the co-author John Fletcher. The alternative title of this play is All is True. Poems of Shakespeare. In 1593 and 94, the theatres were closed due to plague. Shakespeare published two narrative poems on this time. The name of the poems: Venus and Adonis, The Rape of Lucrece. Globe Theatre. In Globe Theatre, William Shakespeare plays were performed after 1599. Shakespeare died on 23rd April 1616 at the age of 52. He was buried in the chancel of the Holy Trinity Church. Students, these are the references for your further studies. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.